Dear students, today we will discuss the construction of pi molecular orbitals of ethylene molecule and 1,3-butadiene and also 1,3,5-hexatriene molecule. This construction of pi orbitals is very important for explaining of pericyclic reaction by using some theories. Therefore, it is necessary to how to construct the molecule the pi orbitals of the molecule. Let us see the first example, that is ethylene. Ethylene formula is CH2 is attached with second CH2 with double bond. In this case, there are two p orbitals is present in ethylene molecule, and when we isolate these first p orbitals and the second p orbitals, it looks like that. Okay, the orbital, the positive sign and the negative sign, second orbital positive sign and the negative sign. The positive and negative sign of lobes indicates the phase of the wave function. Okay, that is the first. This is, if suppose the orbital is the wave, then that is the positive and the negative wave sign for the wave. Now we are interested in to construct the pi orbital diagram for the ethylene. Firstly, we will see the possibility of combination of these two p orbitals. Okay, how many it can be combined to each other? There are the two ways it can be combined. That is, first way is the positive first orbital is combined with negative first orbital, or the negative orbital is combined with the negative one and the same, and second one is the positive orbital is combined with the negative orbitals. The first, the positive orbital is combined with the positive orbitals. Okay, like that way there is a bonding is there. Positive wave function is, or positive lobe is overlap with the positive lobes. That is, the positive orbital overlap with the positive orbital. The overlap, okay, such type of overlap is called as the constructive overlap, and it is a bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, bonding molecular orbital we can also short formally can be write bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, such type of bonding is nothing but the bonding molecular orbitals, and that is a constructive overlap. Okay, that's energy is the less energy and the stable one. That's such type of overlapping is a stable overlapping. Okay, second possibility, the combination of orbitals is the positive orbital is combined with the negative orbital, and such type of bonding is called as the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. And the positive, okay, such type of bonding, positive and negative sign cancel to each other, and this cancelling of wave function is called as the destructive overlapping. Okay, such type of overlap is not possible or not observed, and its energy, okay, if you compare the energy of these two, the energy of this is the low energy, because if energy is low means it is a stable one. Okay, such type of bonding is the stable bonding, but such type of bonding is unstable and it is having the higher energy. Okay, higher energy means the it is the unstable. Okay, that is positive overlapping is possible, and that is called as the bonding molecular orbitals. But positive negative or negative positive, the bonding is not possible, and that is therefore it is called as the destructive overlapping. Okay, this is a cancelling of wave function, and positive negative sign cancel to each other. Then we will draw the diagram. That diagram is called as the pi orbitals molecular pi orbitals diagram of ethylene molecules. Okay, such, okay, that on this coordinate that is the energy coordinate. Okay, therefore the positive orbitals combine with the positive orbital, this is a stable one. Okay, stable orbital always we have to write at the bottom. Okay, the first is the stable one, then second one is the higher energy than this one, that is the unstable one. Okay, therefore in this case we have the ethylene molecule is looking like that, C double bond C. Okay, when C double bond C is there, the first carbon is also p orbital and second carbon is also p orbitals. Okay, therefore there are two p orbitals present. Okay, therefore if such two p orbital uh, 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 in such cases two uh, molecular orbital is possible. First is the bonding molecular orbital, that is BMO, and second one is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, the two p orbitals. Okay, two p orbitals gives the two orbitals. Okay, first and the second orbital combination. First is the anti-bonding molecular orbital and second one is the anti-bonding molecular. Okay, half is the bonding molecular orbitals and half is the anti-bonding, that is ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. 2p orbital is there. Okay, if suppose there are the such type of if suppose there is such type of compound, therefore first p orbital, second p orbital, third p orbital, fifth p orbital. In such cases 4 p orbital is present. Therefore in such cases two bonding molecular orbital is can be produced and two anti-bonding molecular. Okay, half should be bonding molecular orbital and half should be the anti-bonding molecular orbital. If suppose hexatriene compound is there, okay, hexatriene compound, there are the 3 pi bond is there. Therefore first p orbital, second p orbital, third p orbital, fourth, fifth p orbital and the sixth p orbital. Therefore 6 p orbital means the 3 bonding molecule. Okay, half is the bonding molecular orbital and the half is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, therefore in ethylene case there are two p orbitals. Therefore one is the anti-bonding, that is half one is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals and half is the bonding molecular orbital is the same sign of lobes of the orbitals combined and forms the bond, and anti-bonding is the positive negative combines and that is called as the anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and such is the unstable one. Okay, therefore first is the less energetic because positive is combined together, and such type of bond is the highly stable than this anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, the half is bond and bonding molecular orbitals and half is the anti. Okay, we have decided by using the how many p orbitals. P orbital, 4 p orbital is there. Therefore, two anti-bonding molecular orbitals and two bonding molecular orbitals. And for the 1, 3, 5 hexatriene molecule, 3 are the bonding molecular orbitals and the 3 is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, total number of molecular orbitals is 6. Okay, depends upon how many pi orbitals is there. Okay, if 4 pi orbitals is there, then it has the 4 p orbital, 4 molecular orbital is there, and half one is the bonding molecular orbital and half one is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore such bonding molecular or such pi orbitals we can denoted as the that is psi1. Okay, the wave function, that is psi1. Okay, we denoted such bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. We have the notation. Okay, molecular orbitals can be abbreviated with the psi1 and the psi. First is the psi1 and second one is the psi1, and so on. If you have the pure orbitals. Okay, for pure orbital is there, then you have to give the notation psi1, psi2, psi3 and the psi4. But in this case only two is there, then psi1 and the psi1 and the psi2. In this case the first molecular orbital, second is equal to 1, second is n is equal to 2. nodes can be given as the n minus 1. Okay, therefore in this case n is the 1, therefore 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore node is for this orbital is the 0. For this case 2 minus 1, therefore node of this is the 1. Okay, therefore there is a, by using the nodes we can construct the diagram. Okay, in this case no nodes means the if suppose ethylene first, that is the if you try to draw the orbitals. Okay, first if you take the orbitals and see if there is no nodes. Okay, node is we can given nodes symmetrically to the such orbitals. Okay, if there is no nodes means therefore positive, no node means a positive remains as is the positive. Okay, negative, negative. Okay, in this case one node is there and therefore we have to given the node to this, therefore positive. If node is there, then it changes to negative. Next orbital should be the negative, positive and the negative. Okay, therefore M is the molecular mirror plane of symmetry. M is the what? Mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, in this case first your bonding molecular orbital is there and okay, if you place the mirror plane, there is a mirror plane of symmetry. Therefore for the above case, okay, for this case the mirror plane is the symmetric one. Okay, that is the symmetric one. Okay, and if you place the plane, okay, in this case you found that positive reflection is the negative, therefore it is not a symmetric. Okay, mirror plane, when you place the mirror, it not divide in equal two halves. Okay, or okay, in such case when you put the mirror plane of symmetry, it's reflect to each other and same lobes should be reflect to each other. These are the mirror plane of symmetry. But in this case when you place the mirror, one is, at the one side there is positive and the other side is the negative, therefore it has not the mirror plane of symmetry, therefore asymmetric. It's given as the asymmetric and that is symmetric one. C2 means the center of symmetry. Center of symmetry means when you add there is a center, when you move to the to this straight to this side there is negative sign and you move the straight to this positive side. In this case positive side and we move to straight that negative side. Okay, when you move from the center of the lobes opposite side to each other, that's on this line, then you found that the at the one center, at the one side there is positive and the other side there is negative, therefore in this case no center of symmetry is present. Okay, in this case when there is at the center, when you move at this side straight line, negative sign will be obtained, and you move, when you move to the straight line to this point, negative sign is okay. You when you move from positive to the center and the positive, okay, therefore same sign is obtained from the center. Okay, therefore from on this line positive positive sign is obtained and on this line negative negative sign is obtained. Therefore this in this case it has the center of symmetry. Okay, therefore for this case there is a symmetric, C2 symmetry is the symmetric, and for this case it is the asymmetric one. Okay, like that way M is the mirror plane of symmetry and C2 is the center of symmetry. Let us try to draw the pi molecular orbitals of the 1,3-butadiene. Okay, 1,3-butadiene is the is looking like that 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this case two double bond is there. Okay, each double bond, okay, we can write such molecule in this format also. Okay, in this case there is a first pi orbital. Okay, each pi bond, okay, each double bond there is a at the start there is a pi bond and at the end there is also pi bond. Okay, in this case 2 pi bond and 2 pi bond. Okay, in this case total 4 pi orbitals is there. Okay, 4 p orbitals on 4 adjacent carbon is there. Okay, therefore as we discussed earlier, okay, number of p orbitals gives the number of orbitals. Okay, therefore molecular orbitals. Okay, 4 p orbitals gives the 4 pi molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore it means the number of p orbitals gives the number of pi molecular orbitals. 4 okay 4 p orbitals give the 4 pi molecular orbitals. Okay, the pi molecular orbital shall abbreviated by the psi. Okay, already we have discussed in construction of the ethylene molecule psi 2, psi 3 and the psi 4. Okay, as per we discussed, half is the bonding molecular orbitals, okay, and half should be the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Two, okay, in this case 4 molecular orbital is possible. We have found why a 4 molecular orbital is possible, because there are the 4 p orbitals. Okay, these are the 4 p orbital in cyclobutadiene. Therefore 4 from 4 p orbitals 4 molecular orbital is possible. Among these 4 molecular orbitals, 2 should be bonding molecular orbital and 2 should be the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, anti-bonding molecular orbital is indicated by the sign of the star one, that is artistic, we called as the, okay, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital, we can denote it by the arteristics. Okay, that is a star one. Okay, in okay, let us try to draw the pi molecular orbitals. Okay, we have also discussed how we can find out the nodes, what is meaning of mirror plane of symmetry, what is meaning of C2 symmetry, and the nodes we have also discussed that the nodes can be calculated by the n minus 1. Okay, let us try to to construct the diagram of pi molecular orbital diagram of 1,3-butadiene. Okay, already we have discussed there are 4 molecular orbitals will be there. Therefore, there are the 4 molecular orbitals is there. Therefore, we have to construct the 4 molecular orbitals. Okay, let us try to, okay, in this case we have firstly draw the empty 4 orbitals. Okay, we have already draw these 4. Okay, why we draw the 4? Because the 4 p orbital is there, correct. First we have drawn. Among these, half should be the, okay, amongst these half should, okay, these are the bonding molecular orbitals and these are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, these are the half should be the bonding molecular orbitals and half should be the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore there should be the 4 such type of structure is possible. Because why we draw such 4 types of the possible structure? Because there should be the 4 p orbital is present in 1,3-butadiene. Therefore we have to draw the 4 types of such orbitals. Okay, we have given the name psi 1, psi 2, and for the anti-bonding psi 3 star. Okay, that is we have given the notation for the anti-bonding one. Okay, the below half orbitals is the bonding molecular orbitals and the upper half is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore the how many node is possible for the first orbitals? Therefore n is equal to 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, serially you give the naming for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Therefore node should be the, that is the n, that notation is the n. Therefore nodes for first n minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore no needs to give the nodes. Okay, therefore positive sign, no change of positive sign, positive 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 positive, no change in the sign. When node is came or node is present, then there after that node your sign should be changed. Okay, in this case first node is present. Okay, therefore we have discussed that we have given some rules. Okay, according to these rules the nodes should be given centrally. Okay, symmetrical nodes should be given symmetrical. Okay, one node is there, therefore we not given node to this, node to this. Okay, symmetrical. Okay, at the middle you have to give the nodes. Therefore positive, no node is there, therefore positive. Okay, after that there is node, therefore negative, positive change to negative, and there is also negative. Okay, because there is no, in this case there is at this place no node, therefore negative negative. Positive positive node is came, then positive change negative and the negative. Third one is the node is the 2. Okay, therefore node is 2, where therefore we have the symmetrical view first and the second. Okay, for other than this there is no node is the present. Therefore positive, there is node is came, therefore change the negative. No node negative, as it is negative. There is node that changes in the positive. Negative is change the positive. The last one, okay, in this last, you can found that there should be the 3 nodes. Okay, therefore node is present first, second, of all places given the nodes. Okay, you have to give the nodes. Okay, therefore in such cases positive node is there, therefore positive change the negative. Node is there, then positive, negative change to positive. Node is there, negative change to positive change to the negative. Okay, therefore mirror plane of symmetry, when you place the plane, then there is the same reflection of the charges through these planes is the possible, therefore symmetrical one. When you place the plane, the positive negative positive, no same reflection of the sign through this mirror, therefore asymmetrical. Okay, when you place the plane, mirror plane, then negative negative positive positive, same sign of the reflection is there, therefore symmetrical one. In this case, when you place the plane, okay, negative positive and positive negative, therefore no asymmetrical is the its nature. Okay, mirror plane of symmetry is the asymmetry. Okay, therefore at the C2 mirror center of symmetry. Okay, C2 is the center of symmetry. For the first time center, you move to this side, negative is there, and you move to this side, positive is there. Okay, you move to this side, positive and the negative. Therefore no mirror plane of symmetry, sorry, no C2 symmetry, then the that is the center of symmetry. Okay, therefore asymmetry. In this case, there is, when your center is there, you move to this side, negative is there, you move to this side, negative. You move from the center, in this side there is a positive, there is a positive. Okay, therefore in such cases also there is a positive negative, positive positive and negative negative, therefore it is symmetric. Okay, similarly for this case, mirror center of symmetry, you move the positive is there, you move it at this side, there is a negative, therefore it is unsymmetrical. And from this center, positive and the negative negative negative, then positive negative and the negative positive, therefore it is a symmetrical. Okay, such type of construction of the pi orbitals is very important in to observing the pericyclic reactions. Okay, by using these rules, you can also construct the 135, okay, 135 hexatriene molecule. Okay, in a hexatriene molecule, okay, hexatriene molecule is the looking like that. Okay, such molecule is the hexatriene 135. Okay, at this one position double bond, 3 position double bond is start, and 5th position double bond is start. Therefore 135 hexatriene is the, there is the 3 double bond is there. Okay, therefore in this case, first pi bond, first p orbital, second p orbital, third, fourth, fifth and the sixth already shown in this case. Okay, therefore 6 p orbitals is there. There from 6 p orbital, 6 molecular orbital is possible. Among 6 molecular orbital, 3 are bonding molecular orbitals and 3 are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, when you try to draw these pi molecular orbitals of the 135 hexatriene, it's very easy. Okay, you can draw the for x coordinate and the y coordinate. Okay, and how many p orbitals is possible, we have discussed. Okay, 6, there is the 6 p orbital is there, therefore 6 p orbital, you have to draw the 6 p orbitals. Among 6 p orbitals, 3 should be the anti-bonding and 2 should be the bonding. Okay, let us try. Okay, that is the first, second, third, first orbitals we have drawn. Then the second, okay, such orbitals you have to draw is a 6 times. Because why you have to draw 6 times? Because p orbitals is the 6 in number, therefore you have to draw in a 6 times. Okay, you have to draw, okay, like that. 4 is there, fifth, and the sixth one. Okay, therefore you have to give the psi 1, psi 2. Okay, as per our discussion, psi 3, psi 4 star, because half should be the antibonding molecular orbital, psi 6 star. Okay, half should be the 3 are the bonding molecular orbitals, and above 3 are the antibonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Therefore nodes is the 1 minus 1, therefore node is 0, 2 minus 1, node is the 1, 3 minus 1, node is the 2, 4 minus 1, node is the 3, 5 minus 1, node is the 4, 5 minus 1, node is the 5. Okay, therefore there is no node, therefore all should be the positive, 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 and the positive. Okay, at the bottom there is negative, negative, negative. Okay, therefore when you pass the mirror plane, same sign will be reflect through this mirror plane. Therefore mirror plane symmetry is the for such orbital is the symmetrical one. Second one is the one node is there, therefore you have to give the node at the center. The third one is node is second, therefore you have to give the node to at this one, because positive and the positive. Okay, there is no bonding. This is the above, below 3 are the bonding molecular orbital, therefore we have to give the nodes to, in this case, at this position. Okay, therefore positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, the node is there, positive, positive, then negative, negative, bonding is the possible, and the negative then change positive, positive. Okay, such type of the bonding is the possible in this case. Then like that you can also give the 3 nodes. Okay, you have to give the nodes like that from, because it is anti-bonding, therefore you have to maintain the such type of 4 means the 1, 2, and then the sign change. Okay, each node, fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that way you can also construct the 1, 3, 5 hexatriene molecule. Okay, like that way we have today discussed the how to draw the pi molecular orbitals. Thank you very much.